that they give you such sharp bruises on your face?
Don't worry. Mommy will be fine, okay?
Everything will be fine soon.
Can please say that, huh? Have you eaten anything today?
Yes.
You're not hungry again?
Yes.
Okay. My husband died in a ghastly motor accident as he was trying to relocate with few of those underage girls. You're telling me to let go.
They also died at the process. The wages of sin is death. They have already paid for their sins. Why are you doing this to the innocent?
Pay back time! Pay back! They have to pay for making me a widow! No! No! At least I'm happy you know that what she is doing is wrong. And you must not for any reason toe that path. It is wrong before man and God. But then, she is your mother. All she needs from you is love. Love her. Talk to her gently. And hopefully, she will turn around.
Grandma, I know you're right, but I've tried talking to her separately, but she wouldn't listen to me. I tried.
Grandma, you know Mom very well. She's super stubborn.
Shut up, young man. She is still your mother. You don't disrespect her. Just love her. With love, she will turn around.
Okay, Grandma. We'll try our best.
Just take that back.
Angela, what is the matter? Are you okay?
I'm feeling very dizzy.
You're feeling very dizzy. Have you eaten?
My mouth is very, very bitter. Yeah, I'm hungry.
Hope you're not pregnant though.
Are you sure?
I'm very, very sure. I'm not.
Is Madam Flora aware of this?
I'm not told her.
You have to tell her.
Okay. Thank you. Sorry.
Thank you. I can't just sit here and watch her.
Yeah,
I'm scared though.
Sorry. Thank you.
I hope it's not what I'm thinking. Oh God. Michael, where are you? If this woman ever gets to find out that I am pregnant, she's going to kill me. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do?
I heard you're not feeling fine. What's the matter?
Nothing, ma. It's nothing. I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma.
Okay. My doctor is on his way. He's going to take blood samples from you and run a test. Test? Do you have any problem with that?
No, ma. Not at all.
You may go now. Hello, Dr. Kevin. Oh, she's at the gate. All right. Thank you. Winner!
Oh! What is going on?
Please fetch the girl at the gate.
Alright now. She's here, bro.
Dr. Kevin said I should give this. Okay, ma'am. Should be on me.
Alright. You have a tea, fair?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Pregnant? Pregnant? How? Alice, this fool here, standing, is pregnant.
What? How?
Well, I would also want to know how. Then I remember, it's only your brother that sleeps with her whenever he comes in. So, your brother might be responsible for her pregnancy.
Are you sure my brother is? Because I don't think so.
Well, I know how to end all this madness. Bishop!
What are you planning to do with her?
Bishop! Oh! Take this fool far, far away and kill her! What?
Oh, please. Please don't kill her. Have mercy on her, please.
I have made my decision, and my decision is final. Wait. Why are you pleading on her behalf? I thought you said you don't know her.
Yes, I do. I know her.
You know her?
Yes, she's my sister. My cousin sister.
What? How did she end up here?
Bishop and Co. kidnapped her and brought her here.
And you never told me, Alice. Your friend.
I'm so sorry. I was scared. You know, you're tough.
I might be tough. I might be harmful. But not for you.
Forgive her. Forgive me. Please. Don't kill her. Please.
Some are free, some are in bondage because of their quest for money. Them go promise you, say the journey go easy, but when you come, story go change. Oh, take life with
Angela. Stop. I will not tell you, you will not understand because I know you do.
I do.
We're going to miss you.
You don't have to cry like that. It's not like I'm dead. Come on, you people should stop. Please.
When are we going to leave here?
When? Very soon.
I'm going out.
Can you say anything like that? Stop. Stop. Stop crying. I beg you. So you all live here. It's not going to be forever. Stop! Please. You, just like you feel. Don't you have faith? There's no faith in this room. There's no faith. There's no faith. There's no faith in this room. The woman is very strong. There's no faith in this. She has it. Alice, I've heard all you've said. You can now go with your sister.
What? Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
And to you, Angela, I know I have hurt you so badly. I know I didn't treat you well. I know all you went through in this place. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I am truly sorry. I'm forgiving you, Ma. Forgiving you. You want a hug?
Thank you so much. I'm grateful.
Michael, you may not go with your wife today.
Thank you. Oh my God.
And to make up for this, just to fix your wedding, I will render my support.
Wow.
Wherever you want to do.
Wow.
Thank you.
Seriously? Did you hear that?
Thank you so much. Thank you.
My good friend.
Thank you.
Anything for you, Alice.
Mom, I heard you released Angela today. You did well. But why didn't you release the others too? Mom, you heard me. Why didn't you release the older girls? Why?
Everybody wants to make money. Oh, yeah. We want to get the best from life. Oh, yeah. But all the glitters and never gold. So open your eyes and see. Follow life with oh, not do pass yourself. Oh, no one knows what tomorrow brings. Be careful what to do. Follow life with oh, not do pass yourself. Oh, inside life no the balance at all.
I can't believe that Angela and Hafshan have been fooling us all this while. What a smart move. But she would have told her the truth instead of lying to her, hiding it from her.
Well, we don't need to blame her. It's obvious she's scared of Flora.
Everyone is afraid of her. Wait. You guys know that we are only afraid of those bodyguards. It will be those guns where they wave up and down and all that. If it's only that woman, I will tear her up. I'll just shut up. I'm not here at all. Don't put me in trouble. You fear her.
She's coming down. You see the fear.
It's so sweetly.
No, don't
always
fear.
afraid. If I
Not for
live
you.
here,
I
don't understand her. If I live here, I don't talk I must give testimony.
I'm telling you, I'm tired. I can't wait.
I will change my name from Esther to testimony.
Let's go of the past. Forgive and forget. Free yourself and your mind from evil, and see how God will bless you and your family.
Brother, I have finally found a way to get Mrs. Flora arrested.
Mrs. Flora again. Cindy, why are you this stubborn? Why can't you let things be? She is so powerful, wealthy, connected. She will run you over. Do you get it?
First off, everything you just said right now is bullshit.
Really?
Second off, I would definitely get Mrs. Flora arrested. I'll keep her in jail where she will rot, because that is exactly where she belongs.
Go ahead with whatever thing you feel like.
Thank you.
But don't say I didn't want you.
Oh, don't worry.
Don't say I don't want you.
I got it. Bravo, girls. Well done. You girls have been so amazing. Thank you. Yes. I want to say you all have been amazing. And I am so proud of you.
Thank you.
See your effort, putting in your effort, wanting to do more. It's the best thing. Thank you all. Thank you all. So, secondly, I came bearing good news. Yes. Well, visa for our Dubai trip has been and we're all going on that trip. We're traveling to Dubai.
Thank you, Miss Cindy. Really appreciate all you have been doing for us. We didn't have to pay you back, but trust me, God will show this body.
You're all welcome. I love you all from the depth of my heart.
We love you too.
Bye, thank you. I am sure you girls are exhausted and hungry.
Yes.
So let me go down there. Yes. Which one? How can I say thank you to you? How will I use to repay you?
Man, she's so nice and her time is rare.
Very rare.
Hey.
Babe, I think I know what to do. We're going to prepare a surprise package for her.
Okay.
Like, we should get her a designer's watch or a designer's shoe. I love the idea. It's perfect.
That's good.
So what are you still waiting for? Let's get started already.
What do you think about this one?
This one is very nice. All of them are nice.
This one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now.
Let's go.
Babe, what just happened?
I never knew that this Friday would be this nice. I'm still in shock.
Wait though. 2 million naira each. Mama, this money no be small money. Hey!
My own is that I'm beginning to love this new Mrs. Flora. So nice.
But girls, I have a feeling that we'll be leaving here soon.
Me too.
I'm in support like this.
You too, though. Let's go.
Oh God.
My hair ready.
I'm a walk. Stop.
How are you, girls?
Have you eaten?
Yes. No.
Okay. Never mind. I'm going to send Bishop to get you good food.
Thank you.
I want you girls to write out your account details. I will ask Bishop to send 2 million naira to you girls. I am very sorry. for the pain I caused you, for the things I have done to you. I am deeply sorry. Please, find it in your heart to forgive me. I want you to pass this message across to other girls. Please, forgive me.
Okay, ma'am.
We will do that to you. Have mercy on me, O Lord. Forgive my sins and forgive my iniquity. As fishes in the sea will never deny water, so I can never deny my sin. My sins are numerous, O God. Forgive me, O Lord. Forgive me, O Lord, and have mercy upon my life. Have mercy. Oh Lord. Have mercy, oh Lord. Mercy, oh Lord. Show mercy.
Okay. Oh, what is this surprise about? Thank you so Oh my god. Okay, hope I don't fall down. Right. Like this. Okay. Okay, so
Many years ago, we were on the street, trying to hustle, trying to survive, trying to fit in. At some point, we were tired and wanted to give up. But you came through for us. You gave us the better life that we're living now. We are here to say thank you. Thank you so much.
you are welcome, and I love you all so much too. Alright, so come. Yeah. Okay. I hope you like it. Surprise! Oh my god, you? All this for me?
Yeah.
Come on, girls. This is too much now. This is too much. How much do you even earn that you're spending your money on me?
No, you deserve this and even more. This is our own way of saying thank you for all you've done for us.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I want you all to know that all of you have become like a sister that I never had. And I love you all so dearly. Thank you all so much. This means a lot to me, but then this is too much. God bless you all. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Oh, thank you, baby. Thank you. This little one you people have. Thank you all so much. I don't even know where to begin from. God bless you all. I love you more.
You've been staring at me. Tell me, what are you thinking?
Well, nothing. I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you for what exactly?
For believing in me, for everything you've done. I promise I will never let you down. I really appreciate you so much. Thank you.
You're always welcome. I promise to always stand by you. Okay?
Thank you so much. Thank you. My darling.
So how's your day going?
So far so good. It's been amazing.
It's nice having you back home.
You can say that again. Oh my God, this is beautiful.
Yeah,
it's so good to be home. Mom. Yes, sweetheart. I'd like to inform you of my going back to school tomorrow.
Okay, honey. And you'll be needing some money, right?
Yes, Mom.
That's alright. I'll be sending money into your account before morning, okay?
Yes, Mom. Thank you so much.
Okay, Mom.
What's that you're watching?
Do you like this fashion?
Yes. I can't believe that Mrs. Flora is a changed person now.
This is unbelievable. See, girls, we can't be mad at her forever, you know.
Well, for me, I'm no longer mad at her because I am now a millionaire. We are now billionaires.
Yes, so
Money is the game.
Oh, you can say that again. Hey.
My sweetheart.
Yes, Mom.
Just take good care of yourself, okay?
I will.
Be good out there. Take care of you, alright?
I will. I miss you.
Yes, you too, baby.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye.
Steph, what's the problem?
Mom, I don't know, I'm trying to check it. Hey, come, won't you hug me? Come on.
I miss you.
I
I miss you too. Get into the car. Please be careful, okay?
For real? Wow, I wasn't expecting this. It's alright. I'll get back to you as soon as possible.
I think we're going to have that. Thank you. I'm really glad to hear that. Thank you. I'll get back to you soon. Wow, sis, I've got good news.
Me too. I got good news.
Alright, you shoot first.
Okay. I just got a call from yours. My manager just called. She said she want me back to the company.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm so happy.
Oh, that's great. That's great.
Good. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. Yeah, so tell me. You said you wanted to say something too?
Oh, yes. I just got a call to you that my container that's been long since has been finally delivered.
Why? Wow, that's so sweet. Congratulations.
And also the company I've long wanted to work for. Yeah, has finally called me for a space. Now I'm confused. I don't know which to go for.
No, come on, stop it. You can do both. I know you. You're my brother. I know what you can do. You were gonna do both. It's time to celebrate. Party, party, party.
Yo, so finally we are out from Flora's house. I'm so happy. Thank you, Jesus.
My dear, though she was nice at the end, but man, that place was hell.
I know it. I swear. God is always faithful to his people.
Oh, we always save his people.
Look now. You're my mother. Why I just think it's so nice. I can't wait to join those girls. Take it. I know that it will happen. It will take time, but it will happen. I swear. Look at the way we are dressed. We are looking smart.